Good morning. Absolutely gorgeous morning, although to us Floridians it was freezing cold. 44 degrees by the end of it, 10 to 15 mile an hour wind out of the north, wind chill -3. Yeah, it was cold. And sometimes the wind made it difficult to get a good clear picture, but I think I did okay. The skies were absolutely gorgeous, colorful. The ripple on the lake made everything with even better colors. And the sunrise sequence that is toward the end was really pretty good. And the skies, the clouds, and the way they caught the light, it's definitely a wonderful day and really worth my walking in the freezing cold. Leather hooded jacket, everything. But I survived and brought you some pictures, and I hope you enjoyed them. Y'all have a great day. Hope we see you again sometime on YouTube. Rick Helbling, Old Guy Walking. If you're on YouTube, press that subscribe button. Thank you for your being with me. Good day.